Hi, I'm Jamie, and these are my thoughts after taking the 2-day Junior Anthony workshop. So this recording is directly after the workshop, so I have not yet implemented a lot of the new skills that I have learned. But one thing I want to tell you, do not take this workshop if you do not want to change your mindset, change your perspective, and potentially change your whole life. This workshop is like a big change in your perspective of like what you're doing wrong, where you're making mistakes, and looking at things like a lot differently than what you have been recommended to look like things. You think like I'm doing the right thing because people told me this is the right thing. And then you're like, maybe they told me to do this thing for their benefit. And I'm not against helping anybody. I'm not against making anybody money. I just want to make sure that what I'm doing isn't something that's directly counter to me also benefiting, right? I have been to online sales for many years, and I have been into like affiliate marketing, online marketing for a few months. Of the books, videos, and other trainings that I've tried, this training has specific things that I haven't found anywhere else. So you get some really rare like nuggets that other people just aren't saying, and they're not making it like so clear. You know, there's the idea of also like over giving, like where someone just dumps so much on you that you just can't even go any direction because it's just too much. What's really nice inside of this program is like you're kind of having fun, you're playing around, and you have time to digest everything. And a lot of these things you actually now understand. Like you have a clarity and you understand. And like me, you understand that, you know, you make a lot of bad choices. So if you're anywhere like at a place where I was, where you're starting to already feel like I'm learning a lot, but I'm not really getting anywhere. I'm tired of like running around in circles. I'm tired of like chasing my tail because I don't have a clear set idea of what I need to do like every day. Money making activities. Like what are my money making activities for the day so I can get my focus in on that. So this could be the program for you if you really want a clear plan. And inside of that plan, the 2-day workshop is in and of itself, but you can choose to go into the Earn While You Learn program, which is like a group of people. There's like a Facebook group, and they also do Zoom calls, I believe. And then you're in a group of like aspiring and also successful participants. So you could get advice from them, and Junior comes in live, which is different from any other training that I've ever done, because I've never really had the person who's the main teacher keep coming back and interacting with you, instead of just being like on a video where you can not ask anything. And I don't know if you've had this experience, but I really struggled with different courses that I've taken that were completely online. Like I can do them, but I'm a very, I have a lot of questions, and like I said, I make a lot of mistakes, so I need a lot of correction. But if there's nobody there to correct me, that's where I really struggle, and I kind of lose motivation because I don't feel like I'm making progress, and I need to make that progress for me to be motivated to continue to go forward. So if you're a type of person like me, that may be really beneficial to you to have support and have people that can tell you like, stop, you're messing up. Yeah, you're messing up. Do it this way. And then once you get that correction, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. So Junior himself, as a teacher, as a trainer, as a mentor, his personality is really raw. It's really authentic, and it's really just cutting through like a lot of the crap. Like it's like if you want kind of like a person who doesn't just sugarcoat everything and really just lets you know like quickly. And I'm also that type of person. Like I said, I am not scared to be reprimanded. So for me, it's like, don't beat around the bush. Just tell me what needs to get done. Don't waste my time. So I really appreciate that part of the personality. So if you're going into online marketing, affiliate marketing, if you have a business or a coaching program, this could really be something that would benefit you. So don't miss the chance to learn something new and be part of something that's bigger than you. And the saying, like I wanted to bring into this, is a mind expanded can't go back to its original size. So even though you're investing money into this program, I feel like the things that you will learn could be enough to save you enough money in advertising dollars if you really are having a goal to become an online marketer, an affiliate marketer, or promote your business. Because these mistakes I was making, and I was making them continuously, and I wasn't getting the conversions. And like I said, I'm not to the point where I'm utilizing these things yet, but I could see that whatever business I do, like these little tweaks could really, really help me. And everything that you know makes you better, makes you stronger. So if you want to spend advertising money, then you should get these things. Within like a week of advertising, you could get all your money back, or you could lose your money because you don't understand how to make your ads as profitable as possible.